In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails to multiple users using Microsoft 365's Outlook and Exchange Online. This is a handy skill whether you're working in an office setting, collaborating with a team, or simply sharing information with a group. So, let's dive in. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook page. This is where we will begin the process. Once there, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on this to proceed to the sign-in page. Here, you'll need to enter your login details, which typically consist of your email address and password. Carefully input this information, ensuring everything is correct to smoothly access your account. Once you've done this, click on the Next button. You'll now find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. This is your main hub for email management, featuring various tools and functionalities typical of Outlook. Look towards the left corner of the screen, where you'll find the pane listing different folders like your inbox. Select the inbox option to see the emails that are available for you to view and manage. Now, the next step is to find the specific email you wish to forward. Click on the email to open it. You may recognize it by the subject line or sender, so make sure you have the right one before proceeding. With the email open, focus your attention on the right corner of the mail. This is where you'll find the forward icon, which is shaped like an arrow pointing to the right. Click this icon to initiate the forwarding process. At this juncture, you'll be redirected to a new screen where you can specify the recipients of your forwarded email. Look for the To field. This is where you'll enter the email addresses of the people you want to share this email with. One of the great features of Microsoft Outlook is the ability to forward emails to multiple users at once. So go ahead and type in as many email addresses as you need, separating each one with a comma for clarity. Double check the addresses to avoid any unnecessary errors or miscommunications. Once you've ensured that all the recipients' email addresses are correctly entered, it's time to send the email. Simply locate and click the Send button. With this, your email will be on its way to all specified recipients, just like that. And there you have it, a straightforward method for forwarding emails to multiple users in Microsoft 365's Outlook within Exchange Online. By following these steps, you can efficiently share important information or collaborate effectively with your team. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy emailing.